Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You are ready. Make sure the Roku TV is on and you have the remote in hand. First, press home to open the Roku home screen and use the arrow keys to move to settings. Go slowly so you can hear each spoken prompt. This confirms where you are. Once in settings, locate accessibility. That's where the screen reader controls live. Make sure the TV audio is at a comfortable level so you can follow the prompts as you proceed. Now that you're in accessibility, highlight Screen Reader and press OK. You will hear the current state announced. This helps you confirm you selected the right option. Choose Off and press OK again to apply the change. Make sure to pause after selecting off so the device has time to update and silence the narrator. If the voice continues briefly, it may be finishing the last spoken line. Once it stops, navigation should be silent and visual only. Finish by returning to the home screen and navigating a few menus to confirm the narrator is off. If you still hear the voice, try a quick power cycle. Unplug the Roku TV from power for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and test again. Make sure software is current by checking Settings System Update. Updates can fix odd behavior. If issues continue, restart the Roku from Settings System Power System, restart, or contact Roku support for device-specific help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.